Eggplant is a vegetable that most people don't use when cooking, and there are different ways that you can use eggplant to create different delicious dishes. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make eggplant and potato stir fry, which is going to turn out mouth-watering, flavorful, and it's going to be easy and simple to make. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box, so let's make this delicious dish. You'll start off by peeling 5 to 6 medium potatoes, then you'll wash and chop into medium sizes. And because I've already prepped up mine, I'm going to get straight into making this delicious recipe. I'm going to place a pan and add in half a cup of cooking oil because I'm going to be frying my potatoes. I've prepped up some onions also and some garlic for some flavor. You need some flavor in this dish. Also, I have some black pepper, salt, paprika, and garlic powder for extra seasoning. When the cooking oil is hot, you're going to place in your potatoes. Then you're going to fry your potatoes for around 2 to 4 minutes. This is how my potatoes are looking after 4 minutes, and as you can see, they have a very nice golden brown color. So I'm going to use my skimmer and transfer to a plate, shaking off the excess oil. Next, I'm going to add in my second round. While my potatoes are frying, I'm going to chop up my eggplant, and for this recipe, I'm going to be using around 3 to 4 medium eggplants. So I'm going to chop off the ends, cut once more, and then I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, don't peel your eggplants because if you peel, the eggplant is going to fall apart. Check on my potatoes. They're perfectly browning and getting very crispy. Fry for 1 more minute as I finish up slicing my eggplants. My second round of potatoes is ready, so I'm going to transfer to my plate. Then I'm going to transfer my eggplant into the cooking oil and fry for around 1 to 2 minutes. Eggplants are high in antioxidants that our body needs on a day-to-day basis and have lots of fiber, so they aid in digestion. They have lots of vitamins and minerals and also aid in weight loss. So this is after 2 minutes and my eggplant is looking so gorgeous because it has a golden brown color. So I'm going to use my skimmer and transfer to my bowl. Just look at that. The eggplant is looking so good. Scoop out the rest, shaking off the excess oil. Then in the same pan, I'm going to be adding in 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, I'm not going to be adding in any more oil to my pan, so I'm using the same oil that I used to fry my potatoes and eggplants to fry my onions. So as my onions are frying, I'm going to chop up 1 medium carrot, in the carrots, then I'm going to be adding in my seasoning. So I'm going to add in some paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, a seasoning cube, some salt. Stir in the seasoning, and the kitchen right now is smelling so good. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water. Stir in and cook the carrots for around a minute. While my carrots are cooking, I'm going to chop up half a bell pepper. We need some color and also flavor to our delicious dish. Chop up some coriander. Back to my pan, and my carrots have softened up, so I'm going to add in my potatoes and eggplant. Remember, the potatoes and eggplants are already cooked, so we are just adding in some seasoning. And let me tell you, this looks so delicious and gorgeous. So at this point, I'm going to add in some bell pepper. Toss all the ingredients together, and this looks so yum. So I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Toss once more. Yeah, I'm even salivating. So I'm going to be serving You can enjoy this delicious eggplant and potato stir fry as a main dish, appetizer, or as a side dish. Combining eggplants and potatoes was the best idea because the outcome is very filling and delicious. The eggplants are not overcooked, they're still intact. The potatoes are tender on the inside, and the outside is filled with very nice flavor. So overall, the dish is just worth trying.